Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel as a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this I'm going to teach you guys how you can translate TaobaoApp from Chinese character or Chinese language to English language. So by doing that, you'll be able to understand so many things about the site. You'll be able to uh, search for products, chat your suppliers, and do some stuff like that. So let's get started. Before we can translate to before we can translate from Chinese character on app on TaobaoApp, we have to use an application called iDictionary. With that, we will be able to translate whatever language in Chinese character from TaobaoApp to English language, so that we'll be able to understand everything written on the app. It's very tough and very cumbersome to use the app, but with this step-by-step video I'm going to show you guys, you'll be able to navigate with the app, understand the language there, and chat your supplier easily. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on my iDictionary. If you have not downloaded iDictionary on your phone, you can get the software, the application on Google Play Store. Just download it on your phone and configure it on your phone. I've already done that on my phone. I will just go straight away to the app and turn it on so that you see how you can use it. So when you have your iDictionary installed on your phone, the first thing you have to look for is to look for the icon on your phone screen. You can see beside the translate, I have my iDictionary there. I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so when you click on your iDictionary, this is how it's going to open up after you have successfully installed it on your phone. So when it opens up like this, you can see a big button icon at the center point of the purple. Click on the big button. You can see a movement around the circle. This simply means that I'm trying to turn on my iDictionary. So you need to exercise a little patience to make this thing load and show I icon before you can exit from the iDictionary app. So it's still turning on. Let's see. So you can see the icon. It has been turned on and the iDictionary is ready to use. So the next thing I'm going to do is to exit from iDictionary app. Double click to exit. All right, so you can see the icon on my phone screen at the left corner here, at the left center corner. So that is the iDictionary app. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on my TaoBao icon app, which is written in Chinese character beside paper app. I'm going to click on it. All right, so it's going to load up like this. Now, how do we use iDictionary to translate from Chinese character to English language to understand what is written on the app? So I'm going to close this. All right, so we scroll down and see products on the site. There are a lot of products you can see on the site. Now, let's say for instance, I need this particular refrigerator. So the one that was wrote 126 yuan, let's say I need it. I need to know information about this product, but because of the Chinese character, I find it difficult to read this Chinese character. That is why you need iDictionary to translate. So let's get started and see how you can use iDictionary to translate from Chinese character to English language. So I'm going to drag my iDictionary icon. So you can see that when I drag my iDictionary icon from my phone screen, this pumps up. This simply means that we need to set a permission for iDictionary to translate from Chinese character to English language. You can see the movement of the permission. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this blue icon here, which which is set permission. Click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to another page and give you a simple tutorial on how you can turn on the iDictionary. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just click anywhere around this phone screen. Click on it. So when you click anywhere around the phone screen, the first blockage is going to disappear, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on where you have iDictionary off. Click on it. So we click on it, it's open up in another where you have use service. Turn on the icon. Then click on OK. Good. This simply means that iDictionary is ready to be used to translate from Chinese character to English language. So let's go back to TaobaoApp. I'm going to tap to go back. Go back. All right, so we are back to the site, right? TaobaoApp. So I'm going to drag my iDictionary now and drop it where I have Chinese character. It's going to automatically translate the language from Chinese character to English language. So I can read now. This product is a Sunny Easy Mini Fridge Home, Refrigeration and Frozen Small 118 liter double door energy saving machine, recreation refrigerator. You can see all these things will be translated. Let's check another product. You see this baby female dress. Let me drag it here and see what is written there. So this one here, girls dress skirt summer 2021, new paint children's summer skirt, little girl cutting short sleeve princess princess skirt. So you'll be able to read whatsoever was written on the product by using iDictionary. Finally, we can click on the product now. Now the products open in a full page, right? So we can drag our iDictionary here again and see we can so the message still mail the same. You can scroll down and see. So if you want to see more picture about this product, just sweep. So you're going to see more picture about the product, right? So you can see, so this product here sold at $155, which is equivalent to 999 yuan to get this product from China. Now, one other thing we can do here is that you can see more information about the product. So now we can read people review about this product. All you have to do is to drag your iDictionary and see what people say about the product, the people that purchased this product in the past. You can see the refrigeration effect, super good refrigerator, capacity I use well but also enough. Like the appearance material, the appearance is also very light, shipping service, fast delivery fast. So you can read anything, and this supplier also accepts MasterCard. So this simply means that you can use your local card to make payment on this particular website. Then another way by which you can translate on TaobaoApp is that you can translate the general information here. How do you do that? Just tap on your iDictionary icon from your phone. When you tap on it, it's going to display full features of the app on your phone screen. Then select global translation. You'll see the magic now. So you can see now, after we select a global translation, it translates all information starting from guarantee, so MasterCard, this and that, and recommended details, evaluation, debit choose, colors, dimension, clarification, and so on and so forth. So this is another way by which you can use to Another way by which you can use iDictionary to generally translate a full page of Chinese character to English language. So if we scroll down and you can still look for more products about this supplier, you can check more picture of the products. You can see this is the full picture of the products. You can see. So this is a very lovely product. So right, so this is how you can translate from Chinese character to English language on TaobaoApp. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video, and if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you have any question for me, put your question in the comment section down below. And if you really enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this about importation. Thank you guys for watching my video from the beginning to the end. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.